Hello, we're going to draw a bird in the sky. Okay, this is a bird. Its head, it has a small head. The bird, it has a small head. This is its wings, the wings of a bird. Oh. These are the feathers. The feathers. His feet, he puts them in backwards. They're usually backwards when it's flying, when the bird is flying. This is his beak, or its beak. You see, it's flying. These are the clouds. The clouds. Yeah, it's raining actually. It's raining. There is a little rain. The sun is hiding. Is hidden behind the clouds. It looks beautiful. There is a boy playing football. Maybe I think he's playing football. This is the boy. He's playing football. He's kicking the football with his left foot. This is the ball. The boy looks happy. We're gonna make a big smile on his face.